Welcome back to this video. If you are tired of watching old content on YouTube and you need to watch recently uploaded video on YouTube in any topic or any niche of your choice, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to watch recently uploaded video on YouTube or whatever topic you might think of. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my YouTube app. Then after you open up your YouTube app, next thing you need to do is to simply swipe down right here. Once you swipe down this way, then swipe this way, and this way, and this way, and this way. Continue like so, like so, like so, until you get to recently uploaded right here. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. As you can see right here, these are recently uploaded video. This was uploaded 3 days ago. This was uploaded 23 hours ago. You can scroll down and see this was uploaded 1 day ago in different niche with different topic. This was uploaded 2 hours ago. Scroll down. So you are going to see the combination of the channel you subscribe to and the combination of channel you are not aware about. The more you scroll down, the more you see new video that has been recently uploaded on your YouTube newsfeed. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.